Alright fellas, today I'm working on oil pressure sensor. It's not big of a deal, but if you start getting low oil pressure in a vehicle, what's gonna happen? It can cause a lot of kind of different things. A lifter, it will definitely gonna be one of them. Alright? Gonna show you where it's located first, and how you take it off, what kind of tool you need, and what important things to do when you swipe it to the new one. A lot of people don't know that, or they forget to change the filter. The oil pressure sensor filter, they change only the sensor, but they don't change the filter. And then the filter, it may be in most of the cases clogged up with all kind of stuff from the engine oil, engine parts or product, you can say. Now it jammed up in there, then it can't filter the oil like it's supposed to. Then you have a lifter problem and all kind of problem. Now I'm gonna show you how you do all that. You change the sensor and the filter. Alright, stay with me. As you can see, I got Chevy Silverado 6.0 engine. It don't matter what year. Most of the generation, the first generation and the second generation, they are the same. 5.3 V8, 5.3 V8, 6.0. They're pretty much the same thing. Now, the oil pressure sensor is located back here. See, I just did a new alternator. I replaced that. Alright, the sensor is back here. We're in the back, towards the back wall. It's really hard to see or walk on it while you're filming at the same time. Just give you an idea. It's right there. That shiny piece you're seeing right there, that's it. That's the one. With a wire, electrical wire connected to it. It goes right to it, right there where my finger's swinging. That's funny. Anyway, that's the piece right there. The shiny object right there. Alright. But I can't walk on it and filming at the same time. So the easiest way for me, because everybody is different. Some people have a big hand, some people have a small hand. Now, for me, and this type of engine, it seems like it's tight, but I got pretty much enough room to squeeze my tools in there to reach it. First thing first, disconnect the electric connector or terminal. Then I put my tools. The tools you need here is 1/16 of an inch. That's the perfect tool for it. Then when you take the sensor off, don't forget to fish the filter the oil filter, not the oil filter, but you know, the oil pressure sensor filter is right below the sensor when you take it off. Try your best. Find a perfect hook, tools, or you can even get tie wires. Make a hook. Easy ways, the cheapest ways. It may not cost you nothing. You fish that filter, more likely you're gonna replace it because they're gonna be packed with the engine debris, engine part, or dirt, whatever you wanna call it. All right. So I'm gonna put the camera down and then take that sensor off and the filter off at the same time. Then I will get back to you. All right, I'm back. I was able to take this sensor off. Here's the guy. Here's this guy. He's the one who's responsible to sense when the oil is bad, and then when you need the filters. So here it is, oil pressure sensor. When you're getting low oil pressure in your vehicle oil gauge, more likely this guy will went bad. When it go bad, that's when you get those low oil pressure sensor, or you can say low oil pressure in an engine, in a gauge. All right, now I'm gonna replace it to the new one, and don't forget to replace the filter that it go under this sensor. All right, you reverse the process and you be on your way.